Hello, good morning, my dear students and dear viewers, uh, and welcome to my this computer education channel. So, I'm your friend Surendra. Today, I'm going to talk about practical questions, how to write algorithm and flowcharts uh, to print the multiplication table of input number to user defined numbers to print the multiplication table of user defined numbers. So our question is here. Let's go to the question. So I will help you to analyze. So before writing algorithm is planning. So before doing planning, we must understand about the questions. So here is written to print the multiplication table of input number, any input number. That number can be any, like 1 2 3 or 10 15 11 12, whatever numbers will be, and we are going to find the number, that number, particular number table up to 10 tables. Okay, like if number is 5, then 5 table. If number is 10, then 10 table. Okay, so here let's to understand. First, while writing the table, what you should do? For an example, I'm going to take a number that is n. N is hold that number holds 5. Suppose let's 5. So if you are going to take the 5 number as an example, then 5 table must be there. So how to write the 5 table? 5 into 1 equals 5. At the same way, so 5 into 2, 5 to the 10, and 5 into 3 is 5 threes are 15. 5 into 4, 5 fours are 20. 5 into 5 equals 25. 5 into 6 equals 30. 5 into 7 equals, in this way we will write up to 10 numbers. That is the multiplication table of 5. So let's analyze. For an example, this I have given only 5 number here, but this might be any other number. According to user, that 5 maybe will be 15, or maybe will be in the place of 5 6 7 8 9, any numbers. That number should be like multiply. So let's analyze here. See, the number is the same as 5 5 5 5 5 at the first line, and then into obviously, and another multiplier. See, the multipliers numbers is 1 2 3 4 5. So we must analyze these things, then only we will be able to write the algorithm or plan what you should do. Okay, and like here is when you multiply, obviously it will come. So let's, I'm going to assign with like this 1 2 3 with a value. So like a equal to 1, so that I can increase. See, this a value is increased. So 1 2 3 4 5 multipliers are being increased. So in this way we can do, and finally its a final value is n into a. So in this way we will do. But a should be increased by 1, like this. For this here 2, and then become 3 again, plus 1 4, plus 1 5, plus 1 6, plus 1 7, plus 1 8, plus 1 9, and finally plus 1 10, in this way. So what we should do? First you must assign that value and then multiply. When you multiply, the first will come. Again you have to increase a value, like 2, you should make the 2, and then again multiply 3, again multiply 4, again multiply, you should do. So you have to do once multiply, display, then again multiply. So in this way, so let's analyze and let's write the algorithm. So see here, I have written a equal to 1, so that I can increase that a as a multipliers, and I have to take one number, that is n. So and then when you multiply these two different value, and that will be display. And again what you should do, you should increase the value of a, and then we have to compare with the value of 10. That is our destination value. Up to 10 we have to multiply. If it is less, means you have to repeat step 4, 5, 6, 7. See, step 4. So which is the step 4? You must know that. If no, then stop. So let's we will write flowcharts here as previously, like start is oval symbols, then equal to is a rectangular box, and then input we should take as a input output box, and then here multiplication is a rectangular box because it is calculation, and display again input output box because it is display means output. So again we should use the rectangular box because it is calculation, again flow line, and then we have to compare with, that is for decision box. If yes, that means less than 10, yes, then we should must go to step 4. Step 4 means multiplication, and then again it must be repeat. If no comes, then stop. In this way, for an example, let's I'm going to show here example like a equal to 1 and n equal to 5, that as a previous example we have to do, and then step 4 is multiply, and then step 5 is displace. So again it's increase a by 1, and then it's become 2, again multiply display, again increase by 1, that is 3, again it's multiply and display and increase. So in this way it works. So it's a really wonderful, it's a very simple way, but you must understand, you must analyze the problem at first. So how do you feel? Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe it, and if you have not gone through my previous video, please go through with the video. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe so that I can um, do some more for you. You can motivate for you. Thank you.